So dear student, we are going to discuss question number 10.5, and in this question it is given to you a 50 kg girl. Clear? So it is given mass of the girl, this is 50 kilogram. 50 kg girl wearing high heel shoe balance on a single heel. Find the heel is circular with the diameter 1 centimeter. So diameter of a circular heel, this is given to you 1 centimeter. Now we have to calculate what is pressure exerted by heel on horizontal floor. Clear? So let's suppose this is a girl. Clear? And let's suppose this girl is actually standing on a single heel. Clear? And definitely this girl will exerting a pressure. This girl will exerting a pressure P on this horizontal floor. Clear? Yes. So now we can say, how can we calculate here value of pressure? So pressure, this is given by force per unit area. Clear? So value of force we can say, because this is 50 kg, so I can say this is 50 g divided by, I can say area we can write like this is pi by 4 into d square. I can say this is 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Clear? So now from here we can say this is 200 g divided by pi into 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? So now we can write like this, pressure P, this is given by 200 into 10 divided by, we can say this is pi is approximately, you can say 3.14 into 10 to the power 4. Clear? So I am writing like this, 20 divided by 3.14 into 10 to, this is 100, we can say 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. So now we know that this is 20 by 3, so approximately we will find 6.66. Clear? And this is 3.14, so we can say, let's suppose approximately 6.6. So 6.6 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square, or we can say this is equal to 6.6 megapascal. Clear? So this is a total pressure that is exerted by a girl on horizontal ground. Clear? So this is all about this question.